Hey everyone, okay, so today is a video that I'm very excited about. I won't lie to you, I've had these products here for a while now, so it's great to finally be able to do a video and to discuss it with you. I think, personally speaking, I think people are fed up of spending huge amounts of money on skincare products. Not that there's anything wrong with spending money on really good skincare, some work beautifully, and others are just duds and you've spent $30, $60, $300 on a single product and they just don't deliver. So this video is amazing for me because not only do the products deliver, they are so affordable, absolutely affordable, which is wonderful. So I'm going to talk to you about the brand and then show you the products that I think are absolutely amazing. So the brand is Garden of Wisdom, or GOW, as most people say it. I say GOW. You can say whatever you want, I won't mind. Now this is not one of those companies that's a new kid on the block. They've been around since 2005, huge Reddit following, and that's what I think is so special about this. They're not just jumping on the bandwagon. This company is established and it's been around for a long time, and their sole purpose, their sole goal is to make amazing products. That's it, amazing products. That's all I want from a brand that goes, do you know what? I'm going to make you a really good product. And then they do. That's it. It's that simple. Oh, and by the way, this video, it's not sponsored, just so you know. So they've been around for a long time, creating really, really good and ultra affordable skincare, which is wonderful because, you know, nothing wrong with saving money. What makes these products, I think, really good, other than the price point, is that the ingredients in them, you have the actives. So they're not these one-hit wonders where you've just got, say, one ingredient and then that's it. Here you've got the active ingredients and other beneficial skincare ingredients, and then you have nothing else at all. So they're putting in just what needs to be put in and leaving the rest exactly as it should be, which I really like. I have quite sensitive skin. It can get easily irritated. And I'm funny with skincare. So this is what appealed to me, was the fact that the ingredient list is small. You have your actives, you have your beneficials, and the rest they don't bother with. So, also one thing to mention before I go through all of these products here are exclusive to Victoria's Health. And the reason being is that Shabir from Victoria's Health helped to create these formulas. So they're exclusive to Victoria's Health. And Victoria's Health, if you are not familiar, is the most incredible wellness website. Supplements, skin, it's your go-to place, my go-to place. There's also the most amazing monthly newsletter, just so you know again, because when you talk really positively about something, it's not sponsored, but just so you know. So these are exclusive formulas. For those people who are not based in the UK, worry not, they ship everywhere in the world. So let's make a start on these products and I will share my excitement with you. So the first one, let's talk. This is vitamin C 23% serum with ferulic acid. So let's see if we can, there you go. See, that wasn't hard, camera. You can focus, even though it's a little bit too bright in here. Anyway, 23% vitamin C. Normally with vitamin C, right, I'm like, sounds good, don't want to try it. And the reason being is because I've always found vitamin C very, very problematic. Blackheads. My skin just goes, oh, vitamin C, blackheads. Now, I use the Kiehl's one, really, really good. This one gave me no blackheads whatsoever. And best of all, a lot of vitamin C's are quite grainy and gritty. This is an ultra smooth formula, which is just wonderful. 30 mils of product, prices on the screen. Bargain, bargain. Okay, so let's move on. Next, we have got, this is going to be the one that people will go mental for. This is the niacinamide. Now, niacinamide, right? So you've got regulate sebum, amazing for acne, can improve the appearance of the pore. Lots of companies do niacinamide serums at huge costs. Price on the screen. Fabulous. Okay, next, this is one of my favorites because I like hydrating serums that are not thick and heavy. I don't like the feel of heavy products on my skin, particularly in the day. So you've got your hyaluronic acid, Everybody pretty much knows now about hyaluronic acid. Amazing day, night, ultra affordable. That's what I like. And a beautiful ingredient base, which is just stunning. My favorite product of all, because even though I'm 40, I still have problems with oil, irritation, acne. I just don't know what to do. Here we go. This is the 10% azelaic acid. Absolutely phenomenal. The most beautiful ingredient list. So if you've got acne, rosacea, helps to calm the skin, can lighten hyperpigmentation. Azelaic acid used to be one of those prescription products as well. This is my favorite. I'm going to talk to you, but this is one of my favorite products. Next, oils. I'm a really big fan of non-irritating, non-fragrant oils. Smells, I'm not a fan of, I'll be honest with you. 100% organic cold-pressed rosehip oil. Hello. Yes, I don't mind if I do. A couple of pumps at night. Actually, this is a lie. I never pump oil or any of the products onto my palm because my palms are the ones that are getting the bulk of the benefit. No, I just literally on my face, then I rub it in with my fingertips, not on my palms, you know, just saying. Anyway, love oils. They're the last thing that I apply with skincare in general. And finally, this is my second favorite product. It is the anti-aging MultiPeptide Serum. Now, peptides they're the in thing at the moment, right? And this one is amazing. Now, this one is the most expensive of all. This is £20. It is packed, filled with peptides. So anything you want with regards to your skin and peptides, that's the one for you. It is amazing. So my two favorite are the azelaic acid and the peptides. And next I would follow it up with the hyaluronic acid and then the niacinamide, just because this is what my skin generally tends to prefer. But they are absolutely a wonderful, wonderful brand. And I love the fact that these aren't just suddenly jumping on the bandwagon and we're going to do really low price products. They've been around forever, absolutely forever. And again, just to drum it home, so all of these products, the ones that I've just mentioned here, the formulas are exclusive to Victoria's Health, so you can't get them elsewhere. So these formulas are very, very exclusive, created by Shabir. They are absolutely 100% just for Victoria's Health. And that makes me happy because I love them. They're the nicest company ever. And Jill, if you're watching, that's how I feel about you. Anyway, there you go. That's the video. All the information is in the description bar. Absolutely look through them. Pick which ones you think are really going to benefit people. I honestly think the vitamin C one is going to be massive because to get that much vitamin C, that much benefit, and ferulic acid, and with a non-grainy base, and with a base that doesn't give you blackheads, that's a lot of words in such a short sentence. And azelaic acid. My skin doesn't like benzoyl peroxide anymore. When I was younger, it was fine. Now I'm older. It's not a fan of it. Azelaic acid. Oh, the best. Anyway, there you go. That's the video. I think this is an amazing, amazing video because we're able to bring a brand that not too many people know about in the masses, and they should, and a brand that gives a shit. Oh, a brand that cares. That's better. A brand that cares about the ingredients and nothing else. That's spot on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Information down there. Bye-bye.